Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe in your home, and I hope you all are remaining in your homes. So, stay home, stay safe. So, we will go through our syllabus for 12th right now. So, our syllabus consists of 12 chapters in which we have to go through. In which first one is relations and functions, inverse trigonometric functions, matrices, determinants, continuity and differentiability, application of derivatives, integrals, application of integrals, differential equations, vector and 3D, linear programming, and probability. In which, besides, your marking schemes have been written, in which first two chapters have 8 marks, third and fourth chapter consists of 10 marks, and from fourth to ninth chapter it consists of 35 marks, which is calculus, and this is the most important part for your class 12th. Linear programming and probability, each consists of 5 marks and 8 marks, and vector and 3D geometry will consist of 14 marks. So first, now we will go through our chapter, which is matrices. So what is matrix? First we will see this. So matrix is a rectangular representation Matrix is a rectangular representation of numbers or alphabets, which we will arrange in the form of array. So if we arrange our numbers or alphabets in a rectangular form, it is called as matrices, in which these these horizontal lines are called rows, and these vertical lines are called columns. So we can say that matrix is a rectangular representation of numbers or alphabets in the form of rows and columns. So here the horizontal lines are called rows, and the vertical lines are called columns. So every matrix is represented by capital letters, and elements of a matrix are represented by small letters. For example, as I told you that matrix will be represented by capital letters, so I denoted it by capital A, and its elements will be denoted by small letters. So see, these elements are denoted by small letters. One more example we will see. Matrix is represented by capital letter and its elements. One more example we will see. Matrix is denoted by capital letters and its elements will be denoted by small letters. Okay, now we have seen that what is matrix and how it is represented and how its elements are represented. Now next thing we will go is order of a matrix. So order is how many number of rows and how many number of columns a matrix